Looks like I'm going to be a Touratech walking billboard. No, this is not a sponsored video. This is just things I researched and decided I wanted to buy on my own. The first part of this kit I bought was the Touratech Adventuro helmet. I bought it in the fall and just got it set up and ready for the upcoming riding season, so look for a video on this. And then over the winter, hoping to find a Black Friday sale, but unfortunately that didn't happen. I did buy the Touratech Companero jacket and matching pants set. Then I decided to go ahead and complete the outfit because I do need some new gloves. So I thought I'd buy the Touratech Rambler GTX gloves and the Ice GTX gloves, both in size 7. And from initial fitting, they're very stiff to begin with, but they do tell me when I talk to them on the phone they will break in. And so far, by just using their sizing guide on their own website, they have fit absolutely perfect. And then last but not least, I needed a new set of summer gloves, so I bought the Garmin Desert Glove. And if you've ever just put a set of gloves on, I'm like, oh yeah, that's how I felt when I put these on the first time. Let's hope they wear as good as they feel out there in the field once I start riding the bike. And then just as a last little disclaimer, I am not sponsored in this video in any way, shape, or form. I paid my own money for everything you see here. I hope you liked this video. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. And look forward to my thoughts and reviews on these items as the season wears on. Hey, thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.